उस पे फोकस करेंगे एंड आई टेल यू यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दिस कि जो कंट्री का कौन सी कंट्री से क्या नेम था पहले फॉर द everyone. On behalf of Pathshala classes, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all on our YouTube channel. Today is lecture 37th of our online CLAT marathon series and आज हम बहुत general topic के बारे में discuss करेंगे. It has been a very heated topic as well, but इससे ज़्यादा हम इसके साथ जो affiliated GK points हैं उस पे फोकस करेंगे एंड आई टेल यू यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दिस 13 पॉइंट्स 13 कंट्रीज अबाउट विच आई एम गोना टेल यू बिकॉज आई थिंक अ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम इट एंड जनरल नॉलेज के लिए तो ये अच्छा है, कभी ना कभी तो काम आएगा ही, बट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो आज का टॉपिक है इंडिया टू बी रिनेम्ड भारत. इज इंडिया टू बी रिनेम्ड भारत? व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस? ये डिबेट में क्यों आया टॉपिक? ये डिबेट में इसलिए आया बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द G20 समिट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ भारत स्टेटमेंट हैज बीन यूज्ड. सो ऑब्वियसली देन द स्पेकुलेशन स्टार्टेड कि व्हाट इफ इंडिया इज गोइंग टू बी रिनेम्ड एज भारत. जैसे हमारे पासपोर्ट में लिखा होता है रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया, सो क्या ऐसे लिखा जाएगा रिपब्लिक ऑफ भारत? So it's an ongoing controversy, it's an ongoing topic for debate कि भारत रिनेम होगा नहीं होगा, बट इससे affiliated 13 countries ऐसी हैं जिनका पास्ट में नेम कुछ और था and then they have changed to it. Plus अच्छा चलिए तो कंट्री रीनेम की बात कर रहे हैं. हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में इन द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश 3 cities has been renamed. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ, जैसे Allahabad has now become Prayagraj. Even Aligarh is being considered, it has not yet, but it is being considered to be changed to Harigarh. But let's see. Then अभी कुछ अप्रूवल आया नहीं है भारत का, तो क्या रहता है? Let's start with a topic. कुछ लिस्ट है. तो रिसेंट मैंने आपको बताया G20 में यूज ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ भारत हुआ है rather than president of India. In official G20 summit dinner invitation has sparked the speculations about the potential name change for India to Bharat. While this development has drawn criticism, obviously opposition हर चीज का होता है यहाँ. We have freedom to speech, but with then some restrictions, reasonable restrictions. From opposition parties, it is not uncommon for countries to undergo name changes. So it is not uncommon. There have been precedents to it, and a few of the examples I am going to share it with you. ठीक है, चलिए start करते हैं. पहला तो है तुर्की. So formerly Turkish President Recep Tayyip declared the official name change to Turkey to better represent the nation's culture and civilization. ठीक है. Then we have Czechia, formerly Czech Republic. In April 2016, the Czech Republic streamlined its name to Czechia for simplicity, facilitating the recognition in sports and international marketing. ठीक है. Then we have Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, or Swaziland became Eswatini to eliminate the confusion with Switzerland and embrace its indigenous heritage. Obviously these two names are so similar, but then they are very different. Then we have the Netherlands, formerly Holland. In January 2020, the Netherlands shifted focus from Holland for promotional purposes, projecting itself as open, inventive, and inclusive. Okay. Then we have Republic of North Macedonia, formerly Macedonia, to join NATO. Okay. And distinguished from Greece's region named Macedonia, it became the Republic of North Macedonia in February 2019. Then we have Sri Lanka, formerly it was known as Ceylon. I think this is a very common country जो सबको ही पता होगा कि इसको पहले क्या बोलते थे. Sri Lanka discarded the colonial name Ceylon in 2011, asserting its independence from historical remnants of Portuguese and British rule. Then we have Ireland, formerly Irish Free State. In 1937, Ireland adopted the name Ireland and officially became a republic. Okay. Then we have Republic of Cabo Verde, formerly Cape Verde. In 2013, Cape Verde adopted the full Portuguese spelling, Republic of Cabo Verde, honoring its official language. Then we have Thailand, formerly Siam. Okay. And Siam transitioned to Thailand in 1939, briefly reverting to Siam between 1946 and 48. ये पहले Siam से Thailand हुआ, फिर Thailand से Siam हुआ, फिर वापस Siam से Thailand हो गया. Okay. So हर country to country depend करता है. Then we have Myanmar. Myanmar का भी सबको पता होगा that it was initially earlier known as Burma. ठीक है. In 1989, Myanmar replaced Burma as the official name, reflecting linguistic accuracy despite of ongoing global usage of the older name. Then Cambodia underwent various name changes over the years, reflecting its complex history, including Khmer Republic, Democratic State of Cambodia, and Kingdom of Cambodia. But now it's finally Cambodia. इसके काफी सारे नेम चेंजेस हुए हैं. देन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो एक्सपीरियंस्ड मल्टीपल नेम चेंज. अगेन 2 कंट्रीज आ गई मल्टीपल नेम चेंज में हमारी. इवॉल्विंग फ्रॉम कॉन्गो फ्री स्टेट टू बेल्जियन कॉन्गो लियोपोल्डविले, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो, रिपब्लिक ऑफ ज़ेरे, एंड फाइनली डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो. कब हुआ? फाइनली 1997 में. ईरान, फॉर्मली पर्शिया. Iran transitioned from Persia to Iran in 1935, changing how the country and its citizens were identified, sparking debates among Iranians. Okay, so what you all have to remember in this video or in this topic is specifically कि जो country का कौन सी country से क्या name था पहले, for the former name, the original name, the current name, that means, and the year in which the name was changed. There was Thailand, जिसमें it went from Siam to Thailand, and then again Thailand to Siam for 2 years, and then back to Thailand. And then there are 2 countries here, that is Cambodian Democratic Republic of Congo, जिसमें multiple names they had. So it's a part of a GK and it can be questioned since currently अगर हम देखें तो डिबेट क्या चल रही है कि क्या इंडिया का नेम भारत में चेंज होगा या नहीं होगा. एंड सिमिलरली you just can't focus on the single thing. आप एक टॉपिक को एक सिंगल एस्पेक्ट से नहीं देख सकते हो. इफ दिस इज द टॉपिक यू हैव टू टेक अ 360 टर्न अराउंड इट. कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं regarding that topic, the past, the history, the current situation. Similar in this case, the name changes. Precedents क्या है इसके? So you just have to go through it. They're very easy things. आपको आराम से हो जाएगा, but just have a quick reading. Okay. I hope you liked today's video and revert back to me if you want to ask anything. Thank you. Have a good day.